Hello and welcome to the Rule 29 video. Rule 29 focuses on pilot vessels. Rule 29A states that a vessel engaged on pilotage duty shall exhibit at or near the masthead two all-round lights in a vertical line, the upper being white and the lower being red. When underway, in addition to side lights and a stern light. When at anchor, in addition to the lights prescribed in subparagraph 1, the lights, or shape prescribed in Rule 30 for vessels at anchor. Okay, so this rule states a lot, but it really is quite easy to follow along. Let's do the same that we've done and review this step by step in this diagram. So what the rule is stating is that when a pilot vessel is engaged in pilotage duty, they must display two all-round lights in a vertical line, with the top one being white and the bottom one being red. Then, just like all power-driven vessels, when they're underway or they're moving, they must display their side lights and a stern light. And then the last part of the rule states that when they're at anchor, they must display an all-round white light, and by day they would display a black ball to let the other vessels know that they're at anchor. Rule 29B states that a pilot vessel, when not engaged on pilotage duty, shall exhibit the lights or shapes prescribed for a similar vessel of her length. So this one is very easy. When a pilot vessel is not engaged in pilotage duty, they're just a power-driven vessel, and they have to display the lights of a vessel similar to their size. All right, congratulations on finishing this rules video. This was another short one. Keep studying, keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video.